Hi, this is Jason Robinson from Illustration by Design, and it's been a while since I've posted a video or live streamed. I've been out of town, but when I got back, I got this in the mail. Very cool. It's from Murakumo Comics, and as you can see here at the bottom, it is Maiden Knuckle. Finally, after about a year, Kyung Lee has mailed out his epic comic, Maiden Knuckle, and I finally got it in the mail. So I'm gonna unbox it, take a look at it, and eventually I'll do a review on it. But I just wanted to open it up and see what it looked like and share that with you guys. So hold on one second. It's in the middle of the night, so try not to be too loud. Let's see here. Chink. And first of all, it's in one of those very tasty, awesome looking Gemini folders for delivering comics. So it came in really good shape. So I'm hoping that inside it looks just as good. I am loath to cut this really cool Murakumo comic sticker that he put on the outside, but looks like I'm gonna have to. But that's alright. No, don't slice me. Sorry, it has to be done. Alright, let's see here. Oops. Here's the cool part. Tick. Alright, let me open this up. Psst. Psst. There it is. Gemini Comic Supply. Alright, here we go. Whoa! Oh, cool. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, cool. Alright, now hit the camera. Watch it shake around for a little while. Oh, awesome. Man. Alright, that's the back. That's like a little card with Maiden Knuckle, and I assume that's Kyung Lee's signature there. And ooh, it has a little sticker in there. Cool. So I get to keep that. Oh, cool. He signed it here as well. Very cool. Okay, I'm gonna open this up and take a look at the goods. See what's the best way to. Alright, I'll do it like that. Nope. Alright, it's not staying open. Okay, I'll do it like this. Alright. Alright. Now I do not want the tape to ruin the comic, so I will fold you over and eventually place it into a resealable comic book bag. Alright. Ooh, it's got a backing board, which is excellent. Sorry. I apologize for my sloppy video taking. Move the light out of the way so I don't smack that. Alright. Comic looks good. Feels good. First of all, what is this? This is just a general card. It looks really good. Very nice coloring. Very nice. It is matte on the back side, but then it's coated on the actual drawing side, so it feels nice. Very cool. And here's the actual comic with the backing board. And it's thick. This is a thick comic book. I'm not sure how many pages this is. This is probably, I'm guessing, I don't know, 60 pages? 64 pages? Maybe? Maybe. But it looks really good when I'm glancing at it. Oh, nice. A very nice drawing by Matthew Weldon on the inside back cover. The back cover has an upcoming comic book, it looks like. EWC, Inaugural Tournament. That looks very cool, very interesting. I'm guessing this is also by Kyung Lee. Something coming out. Very cool, nice. Okay, I think you guys got a good look at it. But no, this looks really good. There's Kyung Lee there, and there's special thanks here. Let's see, is that gonna? Special thanks to John Malin, Mike Miller, Edwin Boyette, Mike Kritzer, Ethan Van Sciver, Matthew Weldon, and his son Nicholas. Very cool. That's awesome. I didn't know Kyung Lee had a son or a family, so that's neat. Very cool. I'm just flipping through it really quickly, but the art looks great. I mean, it reminds me a lot of, or a fair amount. Reminds me of what's his name? Adam Warren, when he was doing the Dirty Pair back in the day. This is back in the late 80s, early 90s. I mean, his style has changed quite a bit since then, but it reminds me of that style he had back in the early 90s when he was doing a Dirty Pair. A very clean, very just appealing style. So, I mean, he obviously, well, not obviously, unless Kyung Lee draws his women quite a bit thicker, but the general look has a very similar look to it. It's great stuff. Wow, that's cool. I like that. Very nice artwork. Cool. Ouch. That's a Mike Miller Joker move right there. Splurp. But anyway, I'm not going to ruin the whole thing for you guys. I just wanted to give it a general once over. And like I said, oh wow, this is cool. It's numbered. Each comic book is numbered here. So I got number 715. So they are indeed unique books. So if you, I guess, had a notion to get all of them, you could actually number and make sure they had all of them. That's pretty cool, actually. Very creative idea. But yeah, Kyung Lee looks like he has done a great job with this book. I look forward to reading it and reviewing it. And let me look at this. Oops. I'm dropping. I don't want to drop it. Let me put it here where it will not get damaged. Inside here is some other stuff. Inside the bag. Let me grab it quickly. We have this sticker, which I will not use. And this. Oh, wow, cool. Cards. Maiden Knuckle cards. How many are in here? Oh, there's quite a number of them in here. Can I open this? Can I open this without that? No, it's a little damaged. Oh no! It's not in mint condition anymore. Is there a way for me to open this? I don't know. Oh wait, there is. It's open at the top. Can I just pull these out? Sorry. I'm doing this off screen. Can I pull these out? Yes, I can. Oh, something like that. Oh, there we go. I can push it out. Alright, let's see. Got Maiden Knuckle by Matthew Weldon. Very cool. That's nice. Got another one by Kyung Lee. Okay, what's on the back? Oh, okay. Concussive force. Cool. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Let's see, what's this one? Who drew this one? This is by Elliot Gonzalez? Elliot Fernandez? My mistake. The Jerkmonger? It looks like it might be. I'm looking at the signature. Right. That right there. Is that Elliot Fernandez? I want to guess and say yes, it is. This is not. It's not focusing. I think these are getting in the way. But, this is again the new comic. It's pretty cool. Neat. What does I say? Scorpion X Lock? I don't know what that means. And these are generic cards that give the power levels of these characters. Very cool. That's great. And then, again, Maiden Knuckle. Awesome. This is great stuff. Yeah, Kyung Lee is really delivered with this book, it seems. Very nice. Yeah, it looks like he did a really good job. So I'm very happy with what he's produced with this comic book. I mean, the delivery, the look, overall is very impressive. So I am, again, like I said, looking forward to actually reading it and seeing how the story is. But everything I've seen so far seems to be pretty top notch. So Kyung Lee, thank you very, very much for delivering on your promises. I'm very happy with my purchase, and again, I look very much forward to consuming it with my eyes and my brain and reading the cool story behind Maiden Knuckle. So, but anyway, just wanted to give this short opening, this unboxing of this comic book, and hopefully you have received yours already, or if you haven't, you will receive it very shortly. I know he's been sending them out the past couple weeks, and I've seen other people receive them, so I was very happy to finally receive mine this weekend. But anyway, hope you guys have a great day, great evening, and yeah, as soon as I guess within the next week, I'll try to make a review video for the actual comic book. So anyway, look forward to that, and I will talk to you guys later. All right, take care.